Hi guys, welcome to my sewing channel. This is really just an update about the shirt that I started sewing the other day. It's Mccalls 7809 and I kind of left the video unfinished, so I'm just kind of giving you an update. And here is the shirt, and I'll post a picture as well. And what happened is it's too small. So I do remember, if you go back to that other video, there's a link of it above. I remember when I was cutting out the lines, there was a part where I'm like, I can't even read where I'm supposed to cut. It was hard for me to read where I was supposed to cut because I made it as a size 10, but it's way too tight right here in the bust area. See, I cannot move my upper arm, so I'm just kind of showing you what it feels like. I am going to attempt to make it again. And also, I might be able to fit in it if I stop eating pizza for like 4 weeks, because my husband always comes home with pizza. So, and I've been doing my, chest exercises because I know that I'm, got a little extra inches back here. So I might be able to fit in it by the time summer comes. But for now, I'm afraid to wear it. And, what if I have to like raise my hand and then the seam will just split? So I'll show you the fabric that I'm going to work on because I'm going to try it again. So I'm going to try the pattern again, and I'm working with this. It's like a gauze. You know what? I don't know what type of fabric that is, but I've never worked with this before. So if anybody has any comments or suggestions, then that'll be fine, because look, this is where I started sewing the sleeve, and it already is a little bit wavy-ish. So I'm not really sure what to expect with this, but we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully this one will be a win. And then another thing that I'm excited about is my other pattern. Let me grab that for a minute. Okay, so I'm loving this pattern. It's really basic. It's really fast because I don't have a lot of time to sew. And I'm actually going to challenge myself. I'm going to try to get a shirt done within 60 minutes. I've never really timed myself before, but I think I might be able to do it. And then I'm also going to work on this simplicity pattern for my daughter. And so if you aren't subscribed already, make sure that you subscribe, because I actually have a lot of videos coming out, because right now, like I said, I'm like picking up momentum on sewing, and I'm just like on a roll. So I'm going to be posting more and more videos. And also make sure that you come back on Friday, because I did finish another shirt in this pattern that I'm so excited to show you guys. And so until then, happy sewing. Also, please excuse my vacuum. I don't know why it's there. I think it's more like a prop for me, or it just helps me so I don't feel alone in the video.